Bam! Straight into the future we go, where technology is king and artificial intelligence reigns supreme. Have you heard of ChatGPT? It's a language model developed by OpenAI. Imagine having a conversation with a machine that's quick, witty, and informative. From answering queries to drafting emails, ChatGPT is the new age digital assistant, making your life a tad bit easier. Picture this. Even sports enthusiasts can use it to get the latest updates on their favorite teams or players. So you're preparing for a fantasy league and need some quick stats? Ask ChatGPT. Need a witty comeback for friendly banter with your rival team's fan? ChatGPT's got you covered. In this era where time is of the essence, ChatGPT is the digital companion everyone needs. A minute saved is a minute earned, right? So dive into the future and embrace the power of AI with ChatGPT. Stay tuned for more daily doses of technology. Until next time, keep innovating.